Stay tuned for more cooking videos, more recipes, and I hope you stay with us for a long time. We got garden videos, cooking videos, and our family life. Tanya and Ronnie, and thank you for watching. Hope you stay with us for a long time at the Best Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye. We're going to cook some garden peas. Okay. We got our peas washed. Strained, strained, and washed. You got to strain them before you can do anything. This makes our second mess of the year. Here's what they look like inside. Okay, we got some hot water. Got some bacon grease. You got some bacon, you can put that in there. Black pepper. Three tables, three tea, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. 3 tablespoons. I had to boil some more water. Now let's put some water enough for the top. Cover the top of our peas. We're going to cook these until they're tender. Now, if you have some bacon, you can cook some bacon and crumble up in this, or you can put it in raw and let it cook with this. You got potatoes, you can cut them up, put them in here. Let them cook with the peas. We're going to put 30 minutes and come back and check them and see if they're done or not. Okay. In our water, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. And we got 4 potatoes. We're going to put them in our hole. Boil them for about 30 minutes. Okay, to our potatoes, we're going to put some pepper. Tablespoon of butter. We're starting this off in cold water. Okay, it's took an hour and a half to cook these till they're tender. Our taters took 30 minutes. We made some fish in the air fryer. Gordon's fish. It was frozen. We put it on 400 and cooked it 14 minutes, 7 minutes on one side and 7 minutes on the other. And now we're going to get ready to eat. That Gordon fish keeps getting littler and littler, but the price don't get littler, it just keeps getting higher. Okay, we're going to test our peas and our potato. That's pretty good. Try that. Thanks for watching. Bye. Potato and sugar snap peas.